Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un
Yeah, from China. Represented China. And
Almighty Smokey.
yes.
AKA Wabani.
AKA
Never give up.
AKA
Chachaba.
Etine.
AKA
Yeah,
Nobody can stop me.
Nobody can stop you. Yeah.
Today I'm going to. You're going to challenge me.
Chinese man, are you sure you are challenging? Are you sure you are
Oh,
challenging?
Ghana, no problem.
Yeah.
Ghana, no problem.
This is Ghana versus China.
Yes.
Yeah. So, how much are you going today?
2020.
2020.
Let's go.
Don't relax.
No.
Why are you every day you want to? I said the money first. You have to relax so that everybody count the money before you come to the start.
Let's go.
China, if you try to the fight, throw you to the pool. Are you understand? If you try to the fight,
You go try to touch me.
yes.
I go fight you.
If you try to the, you do Chinese, say Chinese like taekwondo.
Boy, do you see me? Boy, do you see me? I'm Ghanaian.
So let me show you the challenge. The challenge, listen the rules. The rules is if you win the toss, you tell the opponent to do something. If the opponent to do, you are lose. If you not do, you are win. Are you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So where is the toss? Come and show where you are going to the toss.
Coach of army.
You like the coat of army,
Yes.
and then the back. Okay. So I told the toss you win. I'll tell you you are win. Then you do your challenge. Are you understand?
Yeah.
Come this side small. Yes. Hey, get up.
Get up. Master, hey, be careful.
Chinese man, get up. It's not your time to the.
That's what the start fight.
If you fight, beat you, get up.
Master, get up.
Hey, you can't settle like that. What are you saying?
Hey, be careful.
Hey, you
be
too.
careful, call.
You too. Hey,
You go try, I go fight you.
let's come.
Okay. Go to hey. Have you showed that it's like
Yes, coach of
you
army.
say you like what?
Coach of army.
And you the back, okay. Coat of army, small thing. Coat of army,
You
small
see me.
thing.
You
So you do your challenge. Hey,
You come to
you do your challenge. What are you
Oh,
talking?
no problem.
You do your challenge. What are you talking? Hey, put the money. Hey, get up. Put the money to your inside. You are inside the Nika. Yes.
What the this?
Yeah. He said do the same thing. Do again so that you see. Hey,
Wait.
Mr. China, are you sure you are
Do
doing
it. It's my day. Do it. I'll give you.
Hey,
I'll give
not that.
I'll give you 10 years.
Hey.
I'll give you 10 years.
I believe you. You are trying. You
No, do it.
Try.
Don't stop me. I'm doing my
Why are you doing it? Why are you stopping? Why are you stopping?
I'll not stop you. Do it.
Nah.
No. Give me my money.
Nah.
Boy, give me my money.
No.
I need you. Boy, give me my money.
Hey,
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Give
my money.
Come and take. Come and.
No.
Hey, Chinese, try
This one be
that
equal.
one. Let me see how you are doing. I think you are doing it. Try that one. Let me see how you are doing it.
Let me
See me.
Okay.
You put all the body in the top. You understand?
Do it. Every small thing.
Dango, try you are doing. Let's see.
That is this
Yeah,
one.
you can do.
Can't do. You can't do. Give me my
Are
money.
you go again?
I'll go again.
Okay, how much?
200.
200.
Hey.
Make them over tree. Make them over tree.
Come on, you.
You to come on.
Chinese man.
Ade.
Try to win, because if you lose all your money,
I win you.
you are not get money to go to China. You have to win.
Boy,
So that
you
you get
don't
money.
win.
Hey,
I
you can't
win.
shut me.
Oh.
You can't shut me. The same place you are go.
Yes.
The same place. The same toss.
Same. No, same.
Django. Chinese man. Django.
Right
You
now.
are win the win. You are win the challenge.
Okay.
Give him challenge so that he do.
Okay.
He said do the same. Come and stand there. What are you talking about? Hey.
Do it
Chinese
again.
man, come this side. Come this side.
Do it again.
Do it again. Everybody they see.
No, do it again.
Hey, do
Do
it
it again. I said do it again.
Chinese
Do it
man.
again.
No,
Do it again.
Don't worry.
Just give me the money.
Hey,
Just
hey,
give me the money.
Hey, he's not trying. He's not trying.
I'll do it. I'll
He's
do
not
it.
trying.
Oh, no.
Chinese man, face here and do it. Face this side and do
Like
it.
this.
Do it.
Come, watch well, huh?
Watch it. Do it. Face here and do. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Swipe someone to the forward.
Give up. No, you cannot.
Go down, hey.
Yeah.
Go down, what are you standing?
I win this one. You cannot. See? See?
You are loose. Hey. Are you going against one?
I'll go again. Never give up.
Okay,
I'll go again.
How much?
20.
Okay, bring 200.
You want again?
Yeah, I'll go again.
Come on.
Go back tomorrow. Are you the same place we are going to the top?
Yes.
The back. Hey, sorry, let me do it again. The back. Okay. Django, you are winning another challenge. Let's go. Give me another challenge. Hard one. I believe you so that you get money to go to the China.
But why you give me?
Hey, he give me challenge. Do it again. China is Django, do it again. Again. Let me see. Bobby, go and do it.
But why give me Chinese man?
I don't. You can't tell what you are doing. You can't tell me what you are. Do it. You said do it. Hey, sit down to the pool side. What are you standing there? Do it. If you know you can do, if you know you can do, you are lose. Chinese man, you do it here. Don't sit on the pool because do it here.
Why you give me Chinese man?
Do it. You can't tell what to do.
Hey, do it. I will punch you.
Hey,
you come on. Master, what you want to do? What you want to do? Swap me. Why you give me
Do the challenge. What are you fighting? Do the challenge. You are fighting.
Come on.
Chinese man, get up. You do it. Get up. Do it. Hey, face this side and do it.
Why you give me Chinese man?
Do it. You can't tell what you are doing. If you know you can do, you are lose. Let me give the money to the him. Chinese man, Django, come for the money. What are you going?
I'll go again. I'll go again. I'll go high bet.
How much?
I go high bet.
How much?
600.
600.
Yes.
600.
Never give up.
Never give up. I believe you. 600. Nice one. 600. I love this. Hey,
You see?
Chinese man, don't fight. Okay. The same place we are going to the talk. The same place.
Yes.
I'm coming. Django, last time. Django. Wait. The same place we are going.
Yes.
Django,
Why you give me Chinese man to
Hey, Django, do your challenge.
Oh,
You
no
are
problem.
ready.
No problem. I'll do it. Yes.
Another challenge. Give me hard one. Okay. Do it.
It's not there.
Django, do it again.
Don't go. Give my money. Give my money.
Django, do again.
I beg.
If you have it, if you want.
Watch. You cannot. See? Watch well.
Do it.
I am your point training.
Do it. Everybody. If you know you can, you are lose.
Every day you take this Chinese man to challenge me.
Hey, do it. If you know you can, you are lose.
You see?
Wait.
Hey, Django, come take the money.
No. I will try.
Hey, try.
I will try.
Try. Hey, Django, you are ready. Come and take your deal. I go again.
I don't go again. I don't go again. Hey, Mama, be careful. Be careful.